Hi guys, we're going to do a little addition review today. I just wanted to go over some of the strategies that you have that you can use to help you when you're adding. Now remember, when we're adding, we're putting things together. We're making a bigger or greater amount. So some of the things that you already know that you can do when you're adding is you can build your addition problem using objects. Today I have my little bears with me, but you could use pennies or beans or beads or anything you want to use to help you with your adding. So I'm going to build this addition sentence. So this has 1, so I'm going to build 1. And this says 8, so I'm going to build 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I've built my math sentence. Now we're going to add them together. And again, adding means that we're putting things together. So now I'm going to count them all together. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 bears in my group. So 1 plus 8 equals 9. Around, meet up, pull down. Let's go over another strategy that you could use for adding. At the top of this paper, I have a number line. So I could use a number line to help me with adding. So let's try it this way. My first number is 5, so I'm going to start at 5 on the number line. Then it says plus 3, so I'm going to hop 3 times on my number line. 1, 2, 3, and I landed on the number 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. That's a second way we can use our strategies to help us add. Another way you could use your strategies is by making dots on your paper. Sometimes we don't have a number line in front of us, and sometimes we don't have toys or objects we can use. So we can always make little marks on the paper. Let's try that with this problem. We have 1, so I'm going to put 1 dot. This one says 9, so I'm going to build it by making 9 dots. I'm going to make them nice and neat so that I can see exactly where I'm making my dots and what I'm doing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how I drew it in a nice, neat 10 frame? That helps my eyes to be able to see clearly and make sure I'm counting properly. So now we're going to add them all up. Why don't you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 total, so I'm going to put 10. 1 and 0, 10. That's a different strategy you could use. The last strategy we're going to go over is using our fingers. This only works if I'm adding small numbers. So we can try that with this problem. I have 5, so I'm going to put out 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this hand, I'm going to put 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to count all my fingers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. I'm going to write that down on my paper. So these, my friends, are a couple of strategies that you can use at home when you are trying to solve your addition problems. One more thing that I'd like to share with you before I go is that sometimes we see our math problems going side to side, but you may also see math problems for addition going up and down. No worries, you're going to do the same strategies. For example, I'm going to build 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, let me get them in your picture, and 6. Then it says to put 2 more. 2 more. I'm going to count them and add them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 bears, so I'm going to put the 8. The 8 goes here. So this is the 6 plus 2. Let me let it focus. There we go. This long line actually is the same as our equal sign. So if you see it like this is the line that means equals, and we put our answer underneath. Let's try one more using our dot strategy, and then you can be on your way. Here we go. We have 9, so I'm going to put 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I have 1 down here, so I'm going to show 1 dot. Now I'm going to count them up. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10, and my answer goes under the line. I hope that helped you today, and have a great mathematician day.